Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling voice typing in Google Docs because it uses Chrome's Speech API for accuracy. Once the document is open, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Permissions follow that profile. Click Tools, then Voice Typing to show the mic button. You'll need to allow microphone access when Chrome prompts. This step connects your microphone to Docs so speech becomes editable text. It cuts out background processing, delays, and improves real-time feedback. You now configure the microphone and language so recognition matches your voice. Click the arrow near the mic to pick the input device. This prevents the wrong source from recording. Next, select the language and dialect. Accuracy depends on matching the acoustic model. Speak in natural phrases, pause briefly between sentences, and say punctuation like comma or period when you need explicit punctuation. Doing this reduces errors and speeds up editing later, which saves time when you review the transcript. You finish by stopping voice typing and proofreading the text. Automatic transcripts often need small edits. Use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+Z to undo or Ctrl+F to find mistakes quickly. If recognition fails, make sure Chrome has microphone permission, the correct input device is selected, and your internet connection is stable. Voice typing relies on cloud processing. Once done, try an external microphone or restart Chrome to reset audio drivers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.